Who y'all got? Left or right? I got turtle.
Is this place safe?
What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? So we are back outside in Mexico, and we got a little race on tonight. You got some dig racing going on tonight.
Don't worry about what we're in.
Wait, these north
too many
side.
people.
Y'all the north
It's
side.
just like 1,000, 1,500.
Y'all coming back?
Y'all coming back? We're in. Like,
They made it to that racetrack down there?
They are racetrack. They wouldn't make it. That nigga wasn't gonna make it test here.
Wait, but y'all.
They can't meet us at that
I mean, we go, man. We'll tell them, man. But I don't want these motherfuckers slipping out of my fucking fingers. We not finna come outside.
Go right down to the racetrack and then we lock the money in and come back down here. Go back straight down to the racetrack.
You just going to make it. Where your car? Where your car?
I'm parked behind
Go get your car. Follow us. Come on. Go
I
get your
keep
car.
calling up. Hey, the guy pulling the fucking Mustang part.
Don't worry, man. You right here. You right here. You move. You move. All right, wait. Oh, no. I'm gonna follow your ass. You gonna goddamn follow. You gonna follow. We going to the racetrack. The racetrack down the street. All right, come on. Let's go.
Yeah, make it spot five.
Chief, where you in?
Man, I'm in my Benz. All right.
Hey, Chaz, you'll see me.
I don't know what the hell we doing right now. So y'all see we outside tonight in Mexico. Turn. Yeah, y'all see we outside in Mexico tonight. I don't know what the hell we doing, but it's supposed to be 2 5-0s racing. I really don't know. Like, I'm gonna show y'all, like, they going somewhere. Oh God, I'm just gonna follow the crowd, bro. I'm just gonna follow the crowd. Y'all see this motherfucker right here? I don't know what the fuck in that motherfucker. But yeah, man, I'm finna hop off live for a second, figure this shit out. Got 2 Mustangs finna get ready to race. We got one that's a big turbo and then one that's a Procharged Mustang. Similar setups, but very different in ways. Y'all see we getting that prep situated. They getting that prep lined up, getting that real sticky so everybody can stick and hook. Okay. So we got 2 Mustangs, Procharged, big turbo. Who's good? Nah, I ain't no famous YouTuber. I'm trying to get it though. Hey man, look, if they want to see it. Man, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you, bro. I really do, bro. That's me too, bro. Look, shit. All of the money I down was spending that I had saved up for, I had to throw all that shit in lawyer fees. So I'm just behind trying to get all my shit together. Yeah. So I'm just like, I shouldn't even be out here right now. I'm goddamn getting this. Gotta get this goddamn content for y'all, bro. Y'all better get it, man. Y'all better make sure y'all subscribe. Yeah, man.
Like, comment, subscribe, no cap.
No cap. Come on, man. But who y'all got in this race, man? 2 5-0s. Let's see. Okay. 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 Get him lined back up. Who y'all got?
Yeah, the line right here, Trey.
Yeah, get him lined up. Shit, that motherfucker goddamn. Oh my god, that motherfucker launched like a motherfucker. Oh shit. My car would never.
Now, anybody had a flashlight?
I got my phone. I don't got no flashlight. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all see this? This is no prep, no cap. Holy fuck. Damn, a truck coming. Let's see what they gonna do.
Oh yeah, tell the truck on the parking lot. Oh shit.
I got him.
They trying to tell the truck. He ain't moving. Damn, he ain't give a fuck. He ain't give a fuck. Look, that nigga riding through the prep. That nigga riding through the prep. He like, fuck y'all. Damn, this how y'all feeling? Let's call and report this nigga. Y'all call and report his nigga. Damn, this nigga riding in the goddamn prep. Damn. Bruh did not give no fucks whatsoever. He said fuck y'all and whatever y'all niggas doing.
He go through y'all lane.
I saw fucking noise. Come on here. Oh, yeah.
Damn. These niggas re-prepping this shit again.
I just bought these bitches the other day too. What's out of me? I think I can get them. I don't think you can.
Alright, man, they need to hurry up. It's getting late. Let me show y'all what this dedication look like. Let me show y'all what this dedication look like, man. So, it is currently Saturday. Can't get this shit to focus. Can't get this shit in focus. Stupid ass camera. 1:19 in the morning, man. 1:19 in the goddamn morning for this shit. I'm so tired. I got bangers on bangers. I've been editing all day, working all day, and now I'm finna give y'all this vlog. From the middle of the night, we out here in Mexico right now. This is real Mexico dig racing for y'all. Is that Drew? I think that's Drew. Nah, what's good, my boy?
What's happening? Late night upload,
Late night upload. They can't even see your ass.
I know, right? I'm too black.
You too black. They got goddamn. You'll see. Nigga got the bitch. Oh my goodness. Okay, they good now. This is what they call forward power right here. Get them lined up.
Goddamn, my son.
Let's see who y'all got. left to right. I got turbo. Oh shit! Damn, Matt did that shit. Damn, Matt shit's fast as fuck. Oh damn. Okay, I chose wrong. I'm glad I didn't bet this time. Oh shit, I'm glad I didn't bet this time.
Is this place safe?
Glad.
Hey, I'm looking at the routes and everything.
I think it's pretty safe. It's almost time to get the fuck on though, cause it's my bedtime. It's past my bedtime for sure. It's definitely past my bedtime.
Y'all ain't running when I was coming down the server. Who the hell
Oh, you was going this way?
Yeah, I'm coming this way.
Oh, swear. Oh, hell no. Yeah, nah. We can't. We normally come in from this side. Yeah, no, fact. It might be time to go now. I came out here. I had to fix somebody's phone out here. That's why I was out here. Yeah, man. Smooth little vlog. It wasn't really nothing too crazy. Little 10-minute vlog. I don't really know. It was supposed to be a lot more. I came out here. I'm gonna go hop in my car. We probably got to meet at a gas station or something. I still need to get gas. So it was supposed to be a whole lot different type of vlog, but as you guys know, in the racing, things happen to people's cars. People come out here and cap, and some people came out here and was supposed to race, but didn't get a chance to race. And now I was stuck with this type of vlog. Wasn't too entertaining, just something quick for y'all. Y'all just stay tuned for the next video, cause I think we'll be going out tomorrow. Well, it's the same day, Saturday, so I think it's gonna be another little big meet out. So y'all stay tuned for that vlog. But I'm finna go and hop back in the car and bust a move, cause I don't know what else I need to do tonight. It's finna be like 2 a.m. I'm like an hour and a half from my crib, and y'all already know I should not even be outside for real. But I'm out here. I'm living life. I'm trying to enjoy my life, and I'm outside. I'm outside, as everybody be saying. So everybody dipping from this spot. I'm gonna see y'all in the next vlog. Y'all watching this at night, man, enjoy your night. If you're watching this during the day, grab some snacks. Click the next video in the description, and man, just subscribe, turn bell notifications on, and just watch the rest of the videos, because we got nothing but bangers on this channel. Nothing but bangers. Come follow me at this gas station. We got nothing but bangers on this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.